Hello, dear students. Welcome to this Class 8 Social Studies NCERT revision video. We will cover important one-mark questions from history, political science, and geography. So let's start. Part A, History. Chapter 1, How, When, and Where. Question 1, what do we call the study of past events? Answer, History. Question 2, who introduced the habit of writing Indian history in periods? Answer, Britishers. Question 3, what period comes between ancient and modern history? Answer, medieval period. Question 4, what type of sources include official records and letters? Answer, written sources. Question 5, what sources include buildings, tools, and coins? Answer, archaeological. Question 6, what do we call official records preserved by the British? Answer, archives. Question 7, what type of history focuses on kings and battles? Answer, political. Question 8, what term is used for dividing history into periods? Answer, periodization. Question 9, who wrote history mainly to serve colonial interests? Answer, Britishers. Question 10, what was used to control Indian administration? Answer, records. Question 11, what do we call handwritten historical documents? Answer, manuscripts. Question 12, what do we call printed historical documents? Answer, archival records. Question 13, what type of history studies people's lives? Answer, social. Question 14, what was used to store historical documents? Answer, library. Question 15, what term refers to historical evidence? Answer, sources. Question 16, what kind of sources include newspapers? Answer, printed. Question 17, what period did British rule begin in India? Answer, modern period. Question 18, what was British interest mainly focused on? Answer, administration. Question 19, what do we call old government records? Answer, documents. Question 20, what subject helps us understand the past? Answer, history. Chapter 2, From Trade to Territory. Question 1, which company came to India for trade? Answer, East India Company. Question 2, what battle marked the beginning of British political power? Answer, Battle of Plassey. Question 3, in which year was the Battle of Plassey fought? Answer, in 1757. Question 4, who was defeated at Plassey? Answer, Siraj-ud-Dowlah. Question 5, who became the first Governor General of Bengal? Answer, Warren Hastings. Question 6, what policy allowed annexation of Indian states? Answer, Doctrine of Lapse. Question 7, who introduced the Doctrine of Lapse? Answer, Lord Dalhousie. Question 8, what system forced farmers to grow indigo? Answer, Indigo system. Question 9, what battle ended Mughal power? Answer, Battle of Buxar. Question 10, what treaty gave Diwani rights to the company? Answer, Allahabad. Question 11, what did Diwani mean? Answer, revenue. Question 12, what happened to Indian rulers after annexation? Answer, they lost their power of administration. Question 13, who was known as the Tiger of Mysore? Answer, Tipu Sultan. Question 14, what type of rule was imposed by the British? Answer: colonial rule. Question 15. What was the company's main aim? Answer: to earn profit. Question 16. What system collected land revenue? Answer: Zamindari system. Question 17. What resistance was faced by the British? Answer: revolts. Question 18. Who introduced subsidiary alliance? Answer: Lord Wellesley. Question 19. What power did the company gain after 1765? Answer: political power. Question 20. What ended Indian independence? Answer: colonialism. Chapter 3. Ruling the countryside. Question 1. What crop was forced on farmers? Answer: indigo. Question 2. What system forced peasants to grow indigo? Answer: Tinkatya. Question 3. Who suffered most under British policies? Answer: peasants. Question 4. What revolt was related to indigo cultivation? Answer: indigo revolt. Question 5. What type of land revenue system existed? Answer: permanent settlement. Question 6. Who fixed land revenue permanently? Answer: zamindars. Question 7. What happened when farmers failed to pay revenue? Answer: eviction, seizure of property, imprisonment, and auctioning of land. Question 8. What crop caused soil exhaustion? Answer: indigo. Question 9. What year did indigo revolt occur? Answer: 1859. Question 10. Who were village moneylenders? Answer: Mahajans. Question 11. What did peasants suffer from? Answer: debt. Question 12. What system benefited British planters? Answer: indigo system. Question 13. What happened to the Indian agriculture after British rule? Answer: it declined rapidly. Question 14. What was main aim of revenue system? Answer: income. Question 15. What crops replaced food crops? Answer: cash crops. Question 16. What was destroyed due to indigo farming? Answer: soil. Question 17. Who resisted British exploitation? Answer: farmers. Question 18. What report exposed indigo cruelty? Answer: Indigo Commission of 1860. What ended indigo cultivation? Blue Rebellion Movement. Question 20. What was countryside ruled by? Answer: British. Chapter 4. Tribal, Dicus and the Vision of Golden Age. Question 1. What were outsiders called by tribals? Answer: Dicus. Question 2. What community lived in forests? Answer: tribals. Question 3. What leader led tribal revolt? Answer: Birsa Munda. Question 4. What movement was started by Birsa? Answer: Ulgulan movement. Question 5. What age did Birsa dream of? Answer: the vision of golden age. Question 6. What did British laws restrict? Answer: forest use. Question 7. What affected tribal life most? Answer: colonialism. Question 8. What was taken away from tribals? Answer: forest. Question 9. What religion did Birsa promote? Answer: Monotheism. Question 10. What were shifting cultivators called? Answer. Jumias. Question 11. What policy harmed tribals? Answer. Forest laws. Question 12. What was tribal economy based on? Answer. Forest. Question 13. What did moneylenders cause? Answer. Debt. Question 14. What system exploited tribals? Answer. Contract. Question 15. What was Birsa considered by followers? Answer. Messiah. Question 16. What did tribals lose control over? Answer. Forest resources. Question 17. What was restricted by British? Answer. Hunting. Question 18. What ended tribal freedom? Answer. Colonial rule. Question 19. What movement challenged British authority? Answer. Ulgulan. Question 20. What identity did tribals want to restore? Answer. Culture. Chapter 5. When People Rebel 1857 and After. Question 1. What revolt broke out against British rule in 1857? Answer. Revolt of 1857. Question 2. What was the immediate cause of the revolt 1857? Answer. Cartridges coated with fat of pigs and cows. Question 3. What fat was believed to be used on cartridges? Answer. Cows and pigs. Question 4. Who was declared the leader of revolt in Delhi? Answer. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Question 5. Which Indian ruler led the revolt in Kanpur? Answer. Nana Sahib. Question 6. Who led the revolt in Jhansi? Answer. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Question 7. Which sepoy refused to use cartridges at Barakpur? Answer. Mangal Pandey. Question 8. What year did the revolt begin? Answer. 1857. Question 9. When Queen Victoria proclaimed declaration? Answer. On 1st November 1858. Question 10. Who was the last Mughal king? Answer. Bahadur Shah Zafar. Question 11. Who was the first martyr soldier of the revolt? Answer. Mangal Pandey. Question 12. What policy hurt Indian rulers the most? Answer. Annexation. Question 13. What class of people lost power after revolt? Answer. Kings. Question 14. What feeling united Indians during the revolt? Answer. Nationalism. Question 15. What was destroyed during British suppression? Answer. Villages. Question 16. What happened to Mughal dynasty after revolt? Answer. It ended. Question 17. What army mainly participated in the revolt? Answer. Sepoys. Question 18. What did British call the revolt? Answer. Mutiny. Question 19. What was the nature of British punishment? Answer. Harsh. Question 20. What did the revolt inspire in future? Answer. Freedom. Chapter 6. Civilizing the Native, Educating the Nation. Question 1. What did British want to spread through education? Answer. Western ideas. Question 2. What language was promoted in schools? Answer. English. Question 3. Who supported English education? Answer. Lord Macaulay. Question 4. What type of education existed earlier? Answer: traditional. Question 5. What institutions taught Sanskrit and Persian? Answer: Pathshalas. Question 6. What was ignored by British education? Answer: Indian knowledge. Question 7. What subjects were taught in the ancient education system? Answer: literature, theology, law, logic, and astrology. Question 8. What book promoted English education? Answer: Macaulay's Minute. Question 9. Who established Shantiniketan? Answer: Rabindranath Tagore. Question 10. What subjects were introduced? Answer: Western. Question 11. What type of people opposed English education? Answer: Orientalists. Question 12. What was controlled by British? Answer: curriculum. Question 13. What promoted British values? Answer: schools. Question 14. What class benefited most? Answer: elite. Question 15. What was medium of instruction? Answer: English. Question 16. What idea was spread? Answer: superiority. Question 17. What did Indians demand later? Answer: national education. Question 18. What was removed from syllabus? Answer: local knowledge. Question 19. What system shaped minds? Answer: colonial education. Question 20. What did education create? Answer: awareness. Chapter 7. Women, Caste and Reform. Question 1. What social practice involved killing of female infants? Answer: female infanticide. Question 2. What practice forced widows to burn themselves? Answer: sati. Question 3. Who worked for widow remarriage? Answer: Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Question 4. What Samaj focused on women's education? Answer: Pratna Samaj. Question 5. What system divided society into groups? Answer: caste. Question 6. What caste was considered lowest? Answer: Dalits. Question 7. Who worked for women's education in Maharashtra? Answer: Jyotiba Phule. Question 8. Who supported the education of girls? Answer: Savitribai Phule. Question 9. What type of schools were opened for girls? Answer: girls' schools. Question 10. Child marriage was banned under which act? Answer: Sharda Act in 1929. Question 11. What reformer supported widow remarriage? Answer: Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Question 12. By whom was the Arya Samaj founded? Answer: Dayanand Saraswati. Question 13. What movement challenged caste discrimination? Answer: social reform. Question 14. What term refers to equal rights for women? Answer: feminism. Question 15. What group faced discrimination due to birth? Answer: lower caste. Question 16. What practice denied education to girls? Answer: patriarchy. Question 17. What reform improved women's status? Answer: education. Question 18. What term means treating all castes equally? Answer: social equality. Question 19. What reformers opposed child marriage? Answer: social reformers. Question 20. What was the main aim of reform movements? Answer: change. Chapter 8. The making of the national movement, 1870s to 1947. Question 1. What feeling united Indians against British rule? Answer: nationalism. Question 2. What organization was formed in 1885? Answer: Indian National Congress. Question 3. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Answer: A. O. Hume. Question 4. What movement began in 1920? Answer: Non-Cooperation Movement. Question 5. What movement broke salt laws in 1930? Answer: Civil Disobedience Movement. Question 6. What march was led by Gandhiji to Dandi? Answer: Salt March. Question 7. What principle was taught by Gandhiji? Answer: Non-violence. Question 8. What slogan inspired Indians? Answer: Hind Swaraj. Question 9. What mass struggle began in 1942? Answer: Quit India Movement. Question 10. What event ended British rule in India? Answer: Independence. Question 11. What year did India become free? Answer: 1947. Question 12. Who was the main leader of national movement? Answer: Gandhiji. Question 13. What act divided India? Answer: Partition. Question 14. What movement involved peasants and workers? Answer: Mass movement. Question 15. What united different communities? Answer: Nationalism. Question 16. What form of protest avoided violence? Answer: Satyagraha. Question 17. What body represented Indians politically? Answer: Congress. Question 18. What demand was raised for self-rule? Answer: Swaraj. Question 19. What foreign rule was opposed? Answer: British rule. Question 20. What struggle led to freedom? Answer: National movement.